cube shifter. Basically what I did is I took the numbers off the top and polished it up, and in this particular one, under here is hollow, so all the boot sits up inside, and because it's lower, all the pushing of the boot up just keeps it in there. I didn't have to do anything. It's nice and tidy. It doesn't look quite as nice with this light shining on it, but no, it looks really nice. I'll just jump out and take this flash off. Alright, so that's without the flash. Like I said, I polished it up. It was black, and as I polished it, I got a nice blue coming through, so I thought I'll keep going with it. So yeah, I'll just show you the travel. So let's have a look. That's first, like, that's a long way away. It used to be really close. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and yeah, it's really stiffened it up. One. So look, from there, so if you see the corner there, it's hardly moving. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then over up and for reverse. Yeah, it hardly even feels like it. It's like first, third, fifth, reverse. Crazy, from all the way there. That's it, to get those whole 6 gears in and reverse. Amazing. It wasn't meant for this car, because it doesn't have the thread, and some people wouldn't like it. And I am going to get a pattern put on there, so that you can see how there is a shine on it. It's a bit dull because I've been touching it, but yeah, it was like a mirror finish when I got it done. Very happy.